Hi, I'm Karen Jarose. This is my 6th year teaching at St. James. I am a learning behavior specialist and I work with kids in grades kindergarten through 5th grade.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth Gallo, and this is my first year at St. James. It's a wonderful place to be and teach and learn. I work with first graders, sixth graders, and seventh graders in reading and math.
Hi, my name's Erin Perkinson, and I'm also an LBS 1, and this is my 6th year at St. James School. I primarily work with our 6th, 7th, and 8th grade students, both pushing into the classroom and pulling out for small group instruction. And we would like to welcome you to our Learning Lab, and we'll give you a brief tour.
All right. Come on in. This is an area that we use for small group instruction. We have our schedule over here. We have a beautiful view of the church, and we like to count the church bells when they chime on the hour and half hour. Over in this area, we have our listening center, and we've got a nice library.
So not only do we bring our students into the Learning Lab for instruction, we also push into the regular classroom. So when we go into the regular classroom, we support our students with special learning needs as well as the population in general. So it's a really great way to get to know our students' peers and the classroom teachers in the building, and just also to be part of the St. James culture as what we want our students to be as well.
Many of our students at St. James receive speech minutes, and we have the study carrel where the students come to our learning lab and work with the speech teacher remotely on their iPads, and they receive their speech minutes and their lessons right in this vicinity, and it's been working out very well.
We work with District 25 to evaluate students for special education eligibility, and once our students are found eligible by the district, we work closely with the family and the teachers to create a student service plan that is catered for their individual learning needs. Many of our students come to us with existing IEPs, and we take those IEPs and create a student service plan for them at St. James as well. And this year has been a unique year. We've used every nook and cranny of St. James School to meet our students' needs. We've used the spread room, we've used the speech room since our speech teacher is teaching remotely this year, and we are in the classrooms, in this classroom, in our Bulldog Commons. We are in every nook and cranny to meet our students' needs this year, and we hope that you come and visit us at the Learning Lab sometime. Thank you so much.